Why did you make a mess?
Grumpy.
You're grumpy?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Like,
What did you do?
a mess.
Why?
And, grumpy.
Nene's grumpy. Why did you make a mess?
Grumpy.
What? Are you supposed to do that?
No.
Why did you do that? London, why did you do that? Why did you make a mess?
Let's see. What news make you happy?
Huh?
Make you happy.
It made you happy?
Uh-huh.
Well, it makes Mommy not happy.
Make grumpy.
Nene's grumpy?
Uh-huh. They have to pick their king. Or king. Where does he?
Daddy's at school class.
Yeah. And who got neighbor? Hammer. The hammer door.
What?
A hammer.
I don't know, honey.
The hammer.
London.
Mama have key?
No.
Okay, I know.
You want to go in your playroom?
Uh-huh.
What do you say to Mommy?
Sorry. Accident.
No, it wasn't an accident.
I made you, Mom.
You didn't mean to?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but you did. So you need to clean it up.
Clean all neighbor. All day. Look, fall down.
Oh, goodness.
Wow, fall down.
Oh, brother.
I'm gonna fail.
No, you clean up.
Okay.